Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
In the early 1970s, Polaris created the standard for pressure pool cleaning with its unique patented and trademark design. More than 40 years later, Polaris pressure pool cleaners continue to lead the pressure cleaner market. Polaris's innovative design ensures our cleaners vacuum, sweep, and scrub the bottom and walls of any size or shape pool, and our pressure cleaner's sweep hose action removes debris from tight corners and steps where other cleaners can't. Our iconic three-wheel design enables comprehensive pool coverage, climbing, and maneuverability up walls and around obstacles. Polaris Pressure Cleaner's Venturi jet design delivers powerful vacuum performance. A wide vacuum inlet easily picks up large debris like leaves, pebbles, and acorns. Polaris cleaners are engineered for lasting durability and use the highest quality materials. We design our cleaners for ease of use, and they're backed by Polaris's industry-leading customer service and technical support. Added benefits of a Polaris pressure cleaner include maximized circulation of clean, treated, and heated water throughout the pool, extended filter cycles because debris is captured before it reaches the pump basket and filter, improved sanitation for a healthier pool, and reduced maintenance because debris collects in the cleaner's filter bag for easy removal. The Polaris line of pressure side pool cleaners include the Polaris 3900 Sport, the Polaris 280, the 380, the TR35P, and the Polaris 360. For maximum efficiency, use the dependable and powerful Polaris PB4-60 booster pump, which drives our 280, 380, TR35P, and 3900 models. Polaris, top-selling for more than 40 years, unmatched reputation, a legacy of excellence, and the most trusted brand in pressure-side pool cleaning worldwide. Visit our website at www.polarispool.com for more information on our line of pressure cleaners.